Hi, in this video we are going to see one of the very useful feature in the Microsoft Excel. Tell me what you want to do. So this function has been replaced from like help. In help we had something like in previous version. If we click on help or something we type, it give the result like what you have to do, and still that feature is available on the Excel. Help is there, but in this tell me what you want to do, it will be like one of the add-on feature you can say, and something you want to do just type is there and Excel will do for you. So just click on the tell me what to do and start typing. So for example, I have selected this cell, okay, and I want to change the color of the background of the cell, right? So I'll click on the color. Okay, it will ask, there is a lot of what are the related to color, customize, font, fill color and theme color. So whatever options available on the color, it will be listed on the drop down. And if I click on fill color, so you can see by default yellow is there, right? So if I click here in this, like it will be yellow color, it will be highlighted. But in the case I don't want to check the click on the yellow color, right? So I can click on this one and we can select what color I want. Okay, I will show you. I clicking on the fill color here itself. You just see it got changed to the color as a yellow. Okay, now I want to change the color and I'll select green. Okay, so if you see that it got changed to color as a green. If in the case I want to change the border of font, right? I want to change font size. So it will ask what is the font size we want. So I want 26. So if you remember, it got changed. Column width, right? Auto fit selection. So what are the related to column, it got here, right? Auto fit. If I click auto fit, column auto fit, let's see. Yeah, it was not clicking. I got surprised. Okay, so it has been auto fitted, right? So anything you want, any command, like if I say for example I want to say the page layout or speed, right? Page layout, page preview. If I click on page preview, the page preview window is available here. I want to close page preview, you can close that. Click on the normal and it will be being into normal. So anything normal view, click on this and it will turn to normal view. Okay, hope you understand how to use, and I'm sure that you will explore this option and it will be very useful for you. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will be seeing some more feature of the Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much.